Welcome to the case study series in negotiation by SkilledMBA. In this session, we focus on a vital yet often overlooked aspect of organizational negotiation: the power of influence. Power mapping is an essential tool for identifying key decision makers and influencers within your organization. It involves analyzing relationships, authority structures, and informal influence networks to understand who truly shapes outcomes. By mapping these internal dynamics, you can strategically position your ideas, build support from high-impact stakeholders, and increase your chances of success. Mastering power mapping not only helps you drive initiatives forward, it also enhances your visibility, influence, and career trajectory within the organization. Professionals often face challenges when projects stall due to lack of influence. Power mapping is crucial as it identifies key decision makers, allowing you to strategically navigate organizational dynamics. By understanding who truly drives decisions, you can align your efforts effectively, ensuring your projects gain the necessary support and approval. Logical arguments, while crucial, often fall short without influence. Those with real power can quietly block progress. Power mapping bridges intention and impact by identifying true influencers, ensuring strategic engagement with decision makers. Adopt a power mapping mindset by being curious about both formal and informal power structures. Identify who truly shapes outcomes. Stay objective by removing bias and accurately assessing influence, even when it's not obvious. Think strategically, treating power mapping as a dynamic, ongoing tool rather than a one-time task. The 5-step Power Map framework begins with identifying stakeholders. Recognize decision makers, influencers, blockers, and supporters. Assess their influence and interest levels. Plot these on a matrix to visualize their positions. Tailor your strategy to engage each group effectively. Regularly update the map to reflect changes in dynamics and maintain strategic alignment. Identify stakeholders by categorizing them into decision makers, influencers, blockers, and supporters. Decision makers hold final approval power. Influencers shape opinions and discussions. Blockers can quietly stall progress. Supporters actively champion your cause. Understanding these roles is crucial for effective stakeholder management. List all key players involved in your project. Assess their influence by determining who can approve, veto, or delay your initiative. Gauge their interest to identify who is deeply invested versus neutral. Prioritize individuals with the highest stakes to strategically focus your efforts. Plot stakeholders on the power matrix. On the x-axis, assess their interest from low to high. On the y-axis, evaluate their influence on outcomes. Visually segment and label key players, supporters, neutrals, and blockers to understand their roles and strategize effectively. Mobilize advocates by empowering allies to champion your idea. Neutralize or convert opponents by understanding and addressing their concerns. Educate neutrals by providing context to draw them in. Maintain support by keeping communication open with all groups, ensuring ongoing engagement and alignment with your objectives. Regularly review your power map to account for shifting power structures. Track changes as stakeholders come and go, ensuring your map reflects these dynamics. Stay agile by adapting your influence tactics to evolving situations, maintaining an accurate and effective strategy. Identify decision makers, influencers, and blockers to tailor your approach. Use power mapping for effective pitching, policy development, and fundraising. This strategic application enhances your project's approval chances by leveraging stakeholder influence and interest. This bar chart illustrates stakeholder influence and interest, crucial for strategic action. High-influence stakeholders require tailored engagement strategies, while high-interest stakeholders can be allies. Understanding these dynamics helps in prioritizing efforts and resources effectively, ensuring successful project outcomes. Navigating hierarchy involves identifying true decision makers beyond formal titles for strategic advantage. Winning buy-in is crucial. Successful influence often culminates in celebrating achievements with your team. Understanding these dynamics enhances your ability to influence outcomes effectively, regardless of your position or authority. Begin power mapping to identify key influencers and decision makers. Regularly update your map to reflect changes in your organization. This practice enhances your ability to influence outcomes effectively, regardless of your position or authority. Cultivate relationships strategically to ensure your initiatives gain the necessary support and momentum. Mastering influence requires a blend of strategic thinking and political acumen. SkilledMBA offers proven tools to help you strengthen your leadership capabilities, empowering you to drive projects forward with confidence and clarity. By understanding the dynamics of influence, you can lead with greater impact, align stakeholders, and achieve your most critical goals. Practice under pressure to reach peak performance in real-world leadership scenarios. For more information, reach us at +91 875530 or email support@skilledmba.com. Explore our full suite of services at https://skilledmba.com to discover tailored solutions and ongoing support for your professional advancement. Thank you for choosing SkilledMBA. We're proud to support your journey toward influential, ethical, and results-driven leadership.